What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Sui to Ethereum in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering here, how do you exactly swap Sui to Ethereum? Well, this one is very easy. So the first thing that we want to do here is you want to open up your Phantom account here, or the app itself, and just log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go and click on swap that you see at the very top here or at the very bottom center. And from here, you just need to set up a few things. So since we want to swap from Sui to Ethereum, you want to go and set the UPay section to Sui. So go and click on your token here and just search for Sui in here. So you can go and click on the Sui network if you have that available in here. Now, once you've done that, next thing you want to do is you want to go to the you receive section and just enter Ethereum or choose Ethereum. So choose which network that you want to use. So in this case, let's go and choose Ethereum. Click on Ethereum here. And once you've done that, it should give you the option to enter the amount that you want to basically swap. So for example, you want to swap like 0.01. Now you could go ahead and basically click on swap now that you'll be seeing at the very bottom here, and just make sure to review a few things. But obviously you need to have enough funds here, and also, by the way, if you're swapping cross chain here, the fees are going to be a lot higher, so just keep that in mind. But if you're sure, just click on swap now at the very bottom and confirm a few things, and you should be able to swap it. But just in case, if you can't do this way, there's another way for you to do this. So you want to go and click on the search icon you see at the very bottom right here, and you want to go to sites tokens URL at the very top and just type in portal. Now in this case, you can go and just type it in here, just search for it. You should see portal bridge here. So if you do see this one, you just need to go back one page, and in here just choose portal bridge. Now similarly what we did before, you need to specify a few things. Since you want to convert from Sui to Ethereum, what you need to do is you want to go and choose from here, and you want to go and choose which network here. So in this case, go and click on other here and choose Sui. And from here, you want to select the token. So let's go and choose Sui here. Let's go and choose this one. And once you've chosen it, you want to go and click on the to section. From here, you want to go and choose ETH. If you want to use the ETH network or Ethereum network, choose ETH here. And just indicate the amount that you want to basically convert. But obviously, you want to click on select wallet first and connect your wallet here, agree to that. But once you've connected your account, you go and proceed with the swap. And in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.